Yes, once Warren Buffett said that an idiot with a plan will always beat a genius without a plan. It's very simple. Let me be very clear with you. If you are very clear that you are going to some city, then your road is very clear. You know which direction to take. But let's say you are driving and you do not know where you are going. Does not matter how much intelligent you are, you will drive from here to there, you will drive from here and there, and eventually you will fail. So plan is the first thing. And when it comes to the plan, all the time people say that follow your passion. Do something about which you are passionate about. Do something you will feel like you're doing, you're kind of contributing something, and you will be only able to contribute something or do something remarkable if you follow your passion. After having the passion, it is often said that make the goals, and after having the goals, it's often said that work hard, achieve those goals. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, that if you have not set your life goals so far, set your life goals. If you're not clear about life goals, just set some vague goals, write down 20 goals, and then you can kind of minimize, maybe convert the 20 into the 10 goals, and then 5, and then at the end you will have one goal. There's one book with the name The One Thing. The one thing says that I'm sure you heard the Pareto principle, the 80 to 20% rule. It says that all the income in any company come from the 20% customers, their high valued customers, and it is often used for the employees, that 20% of the employees are working so hard that contribute most of the work of a company. So this principle is further said that do not be 20% out of 80%, be the 1% out of 99%. So choose the task in which you are very good and keep on doing that thing. So today I wanted to share with you this thing, that make plan on that thing. Maybe you want to be a speaker, maybe you want to be a teacher, and never ever believe that some sponsorship, some marketing, some advertising will save you. Maybe you're watching this video today, maybe you will watch this video after 1 year, maybe after 10 years. Does not matter when you will watch this video. Remember my words, I never advertised my YouTube channel, and I will never advertise it. If it has the potential, through the word of mouth, I believe it will spread. And if my product does not have, if my word does not have value, then I will never promote these words, because there are so many people, they go from this word unheard. If I do not have good content, my marketing will ruin my reputation. Why? Because nobody will like a bad product. Nobody know you, it's better. And other thing is that all the time when you make a plan, focus on a niche. Do not focus on trends. Most of the people I have seen that when they want to do something, they focus on the trends, and trends help you no matter get you visibility for a short term, but in the long term you will not have the image of being a coach, you will not have image of being a kind of a person who showed the persistence. So that's what I wanted to share with you. There's one video on my YouTube channel, that is the relevance and fame. In that video I explained this concept in very clearly. I will put it over here, and you will see in the end screen the same video. So I also recommend you to watch this video. Thank you so much for being here. Please share it with as many people as possible. Thank you.